You are now tuned in to the Haitian Jonas Show.
Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Jonas. You're watching HAITIANJONAS.com. We have a wonderful artist with us, Petit-Frere. We're at Hit Quarter Studio, right in Boston, Hyde Park, River Street. And you guys get ready to hear this young Jamaican yard boy.
Blessed, welcome Haitian Jonas.
Doing good. Introduce yourself to the people.
Yes, this is Petit-Frere, yeah, representing, you know. Give thanks to Almighty for bringing me to this moment, you know. Yeah, man, greetings to one and all.
This is after I interview Movado. You're the second artist that I'm talking to, and it's gonna be a little bit longer. Petit-Frere, can you tell the people about you? You have been doing music with all type of nation, and just tell them a little bit about you, real quick.
I've been traveling the journey of life, you know, before my music even get to be even prime where people could, you know, even engage and listen to my music. You know, Petit-Frere, born and raised in Jamaica, you know, family, migrate to America at a young age, you know, go through the struggles in the streets, go to university, excel at university after going to high school, so I did get a university degree, you know what I'm saying? So with that not delay my musical performance, but it enhanced my writing ability, you know. So with those things, the journey of life and different traveling and meeting great ones and people through life brought me to this place, you know.
Thanks. What was your first date?
First state is Boston.
First state is in...
As a matter of fact, it's funny we're having this conversation because today is what, March 13, March 16.
Yeah.
March 16.
Yes.
I came to America in that March 16.
Wow, congratulations.
1992.
Wow.
I'm coming to America them time, so I just, you know, I traveling through the journey of life, and at one point I can remember growing up looking and wondering, wow, will I ever get a chance to see America? So I had that desire at one point, you know, and now I've been here for such a long time with such a different experiences, meeting different people from different states and different places who have different experiences, you know, so that the experience helped me, you know, to go and build music and know myself.
What is the culture? Because I'm asking a Jamaican person. What is the vibe? What is the culture?
Jamaica, because we gained independence and we're a majority, predominantly black nation, and we have such great leadership, I mean, through Marcus Garvey, enlightenment, you know, and different things. I mean, even though we have Christian, there's a majority Christian strength there, but with all those things together, it created a fusion, an African strength, and it created a fusion of people, the culture just, I don't know, it's fire that energy, you know? Fire the energy of people where they have to, you know, they want to excel. The culture is people who want to, you know, people have very high sex drive. They want to, you know, do good enough, you know. And that's part of the culture. People have music. Music is definitely a big part of the culture where we have music everywhere. It's free, it keep us free, you know. So we play music in the streets, and that's been part of our freedom. We have food that we play, we eat everywhere. So the culture is rich in terms of enhancing what we had before and terms of that. So, you know, them things together is just a different vibes where, as I say, it's just, you know, energy and freedom. You know, everything good. Life is like a monopoly. So get your money. Try your best for no go to jail. I was in the valley, no dilly dally. Try your best pick up a skirt tail. Life is like a monopoly. So get your money, try your best for no go jail. Now we're in the valley, no dilly dally. Try your best to hold a park space. Them tune it. It's just basically analyzing the game that we all grew up playing. You know, I grew up playing Monopoly and sometimes losing. A lot of my cousins were good at the game, but I never, let me say, I always was intrigued about how that was, and now growing up as a man, seeing how life is designed in terms of everybody have to have some form of place to live, you know what I'm saying? Real estate, have a roof over your head, you know what I'm saying? That's one important part of life that, you know what I'm saying, you don't think about until you want to say you want to leave your mother's house, you know what I'm saying? So that's important. So if you have a house or you're renting or whatever it is, so with that now life is like a monopoly, and we also notice that in the life you see big investment, the biggest multinational investment is prison. They're building more prison than schools. So with them things they say, what? That they go on. Because sometimes you play Monopoly and you don't do nothing wrong. Right? And you roll the dice at the end up and go to jail. All you do was roll the dice.
Wow. Wow.
You see what I'm saying? So I pick that as sometimes we go through mishaps, sometimes craziness. So I mean, we pray for that not to happen to nobody, but things that happen with the cops. You know what I'm saying to you? When people are not even, I mean, in no crime, you know what I mean, end up in problems. So that's life.
When I check out your studio and it's so structured,
Oh yeah, man.
you have green screen, you have studio time, and you have session. How does that work? For people who's listening and they can come and check out your studio if they want to have time, they want to get their music popping and the beat, what kind of beat you play and all kind of stuff. Like you have engineer questions I want to ask. People want to hear.
Well, yeah, I mean, this is structured like a business, as you see. It's a business that helped me to do my music at the same time. But for years, we've actually worked with the community, worked with different individuals who are professional in music and want to get their things professionally recorded, they mastered, mixed. So it's structured so in here is isolated from back there where you could be recording your music and the sound booth is also isolated from in here, so everything is insulated, you know what I mean? Back there you have the green screen, which is a separate room where we've had sessions where the green screen is in play, where we record videos and somebody's doing a green screen recording while somebody's in here recording. So it's designed for artists to get together and be able to do different things, different phases of the musical plight, you know? Nice. So it's designed that way. So it's something that I dreamt of. Like I said, I've dreamt of things in life and I'll be able to put them to light. So I give thanks first to the Almighty. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all about starting with a dream, you know? And it's not, I can't say it was my lifelong dream, but along the journey I've been inspired even by other artists. You're artists from Haiti, Wyclef, you know. I've been to his studio and seen his place, and I was inspired by how the place was spread out and how helpful it was. Not saying mine is anywhere comparison to what he has, you know what I'm saying? But in that it gave me some idea as to what a professional setting would be like, and I felt the Boston would need like to would be able to use that type of facility. I see you done
so many. I mean, great job. I went to their Daddy's house, White Clutch Studio, and very structured. And I see the same thing. Sound Clash, and I see the same thing structured and. I think you do a good job. You did a good job, and then I really want to say,
thank you.
Congratulations. What's your relationship? Because I'm not the first Haitian you met, and you've worked with a lot of Haitians. Can you tell me the connection you as a Jamaican? Because a lot of my people, they think, you know, somehow we don't click together. Can you tell me a little bit?
First and foremost, Haiti Papo Van.
Say that again. Haiti Papo Van. I guess they understand. Haiti is not for sale. Good job.
The thing is a joke. We run a matter pan more time because we saw one. The matter pan the Asian they do. The thing is, you know, Boston is a very diverse place, and that's one of the greatest enjoyment is to see different races, different people from different places, you know. And the Haitian community was always been part of my high school growing up, you know. Different Haitians was one of my, like, from West Roxbury High School, so I've always had connection with the Haitian community. And with that, I have friends, a lot of friends, you know. I name a lot of them. I mean, some good ones, some bad ones. someone
in Haiti right now.
Someone in Haiti. Yeah, man, but we have I have a lot of different friends. I wouldn't say friends.
Yeah.
I would say acquaintance, majority.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, but a few friends from Haiti. And I know Jamaica. In Jamaica, there's a lot of Haitians in Jamaica. Not when I was there, but when I go back and forth, I realized there's a big Asian community developing there. And it's with that I see for us, it's a long waiting a connection because at the beginning it was Bookman and 80.
Yeah. And he's Jamaican.
Yeah, Bookman the fly go 80 and we link up together and make the thing start out.
Exactly.
And 80 liberate them place and from that the 80 inspire the rest of the black slaves and black gatherings to rise up and liberate themselves and become aware of what's popping up. So big up to 80 for that. See what I say?
Yeah, man, I fell in love with Jamaica. Jamaican people. I'm a big up the Balls family. And there's so many. I would have to say every name. I met them in Haiti. That's when I fell in love with the culture and listening to Bob Marley's songs.
You see, it's a connection. Like I said, we are connected. Just a journey is a good thing that we are aware of it because if we're not aware of where our journey is coming from, where we'd be lost in this whole Gideon. You know what I'm saying? So the great thing is to know what happened. So what are we going to do from here? Are we going to dwell or are we going to move forward? But we can't go back because that's not possible. You know what I'm saying? I don't see nobody. I see Michael Jackson do some moonwalking, but he's still in the move back. He was still on the stage. You know what I'm saying? We have to focus and figure out what we're going to do. Are we going to sit there and rage or are we going to move forward and turn a different page?
So many educated in the island. It's a pleasure to meet with you again and again. I would like you to introduce the people your business, where they can catch you, because I know you have ReverbNation.com and CastifireMusic.com, right? Tell them a little bit where they can catch you, if they want a session, where exactly the location.
Okay, well, yes, they can always contact us at headquarters in Matapan. Your address is 34 Topelian Street. We have a website, you can check it, but in this time I'm giving the address. I don't know if people are going to write it down. So let me give it like this. Check out headquartersstudios.com. That's HITQUARTERS studios.com. Also my website personally for my music is www.castafarimusic.net, and that's www.castafarimusic.net. Yeah, definitely check us out in Matapan, right here local in Boston, Headquarters Studio. Yeah man, it's here available for musicians that's prepared or getting ready to hit the industry or want to get a good sound recording in all type of genres of music, from R&B, hip-hop, reggae music, royal sound, anything, So therefore we're here in Matapan, HAITIANJONAS.com. Big up yourself straight. Yeah man, them can't stop it. How them feel like? Are you ready the place?
I know.
Yeah man. You're current on half, who go and bridge it, then push your life to the limit. But if a hypocrite things don't mean no with it. No! Be strong and be brave. And the most I draw and it shall strengthen your days. Hold firm and walk straight. Though the road the rocky no pave. It's just life. It's just life. The bag of things we have to do for survive. You see it? Yeah man, life is a survival thing. It was live above survival still, but right now I have to survive. We can live above it first. Yeah, naturally. Blessed. Big up yourself. Yeah man, Haitian Jonas. The whole family. Castafari headquarters. Yeah man. Big up the whole family.